Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I still think that we are in a wave 5, and it definitely does look like we have one, two, three, four, 5 waves of wave 5. But we're now respecting a fib level, and actually, our next Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci extension level is all the way up at the 100%. So I'm definitely still very bullish. I really think there's probably a pretty good chance it's going to go up and touch that 100% fib extension before we see a significant pullback. So going down to the weekly time frame, like I was just showing, I mean we definitely do have one, two, three, four, and then it looks like an extension, like one, two, three, four, and five of wave 5. But still no breaker structure to the downside, still no Fibonacci bounce, no lower high. Definitely still bullish and definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame, I mean, we definitely did have a pretty good little turn down, but I mean, even on the shorter time frame fib levels, we do not have a fib bounce. We don't have a breaker structure. I would definitely still be looking at this move up, this move down as a correction to the move up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm kind of wondering if this move up is really the continuation of the uptrend, because to me it looks like a one, two, three, four, 5 waves. That looks like it's a wave A. This looks like one up, three down, one up for an A, B, C, or B. I think there is a chance this actually could turn back down for a wave C before it actually does go up for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where we can a little bit more clearly see that pattern, because this definitely looks like one, two, three, four, 5 waves down, which makes me think that it's a wave A. This looks like one, two, three waves up and then one, two, 3 waves down, which makes me think we're forming a 3-3-5 pattern, like either an expanding flat or a running flat. If it really is an expanding flat, then it is likely to go up and take out these highs, maybe up to one of these higher fib levels like this. And since the trend is up on the higher time frames, there's definitely always a chance it just keeps on going up. If it's actually a running flat, then it would make a lower high, and it would probably turn back down. But really, we're already past the 78%, so it looks like it's not respecting that level. If it goes up to the 100%, makes a double top breaker structure, then yeah, definitely go short. Otherwise, I would continue to look for longs, because if it's an expanding flat, it would most likely go up to the minimum of the 123. You know, most expanding flats actually go up to the 168, 178, and it honestly may not even be a flat. It may just be the continuation of the uptrend on the much higher time frames. So the trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames. It looks like we could have an expanding flat or a running flat, but it may actually just be the continuation of the uptrend. So I would definitely still be looking for pullback entries for the continuation of this big uptrend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.